Chevrolet Citation, America's favorite 5-passenger front-wheel drive car. A proven performer that offers more value with engineering refinements and more choices than ever. With hatchback convenience in a functional 4-door model. Or choose hatchback styling in a handsome 2-door model. For those who want the maximum value Citation, the stylish notchback coupe, Chevy's lowest priced Citation, is the obvious choice. Citation's outstanding versatility makes it ideal for nearly any lifestyle. Compared to rear-wheel drive cars, Citation's front-wheel drive design positions the drivetrain transversely, eliminating the long propeller shaft and rear drivetrain components. This configuration is space efficient and provides added room for passengers and cargo. On the road, Citation's under-the-skin engineering sophistication offers impressive ride and handling characteristics. Its proven front-wheel drive design provides excellent traction in nearly all weather conditions. The McPherson strut front suspension features coil springs, stabilizer bar, and thick rubber bushings for a smooth, level ride. Also standard is rack and pinion steering for precise maneuverability. The standard 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine features electronic fuel injection. This advanced system meters fuel flow a minimum of 80 times per second. An electronically controlled solenoid nozzle injects a measured spray of fuel into the throttle body, adjusting to changes in operating conditions for responsive performance and impressive fuel economy. An important part of every Citation power plant is the computer command control system. An onboard computer which manages engine operation for impressive performance and permits good fuel economy. Introduced in 1980, computer command control has given more than 28 million miles of service on Chevrolet passenger cars. In addition to the standard 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine, Citation can be equipped with the optional 2.8-liter V6 or choose the high-output 2.8-liter V6 engine. A manual 4-speed overdrive transaxle, standard on all engines, offers sporty performance and impressive efficiency. Or choose the convenience of the optional automatic 3-speed transaxle with the fuel-saving torque converter clutch. It provides a direct mechanical link between the engine and transaxle for impressive fuel economy at highway speeds. Inside, Citation offers a comfortable, color-keyed interior with many standard features, including a new low-back bench seat in cloth or vinyl with adjustable headrests, a Delco AM radio and dual front speakers, a smart switch which controls headlamp high beams, turn signals, and a 2-speed wiper and washer system. Also standard are a color-coordinated instrument panel, styled for driver convenience, one-piece cut pile carpeting, and foam-backed cloth-covered headliner. Other standard features include rectangular halogen headlamps with increased beam output for more intense light, plastisol applications to help protect the lower body from stone chipping, and 13-inch glass-belted radial ply tires. Citation's functional hatchback design features a cargo compartment cover to keep valuables out of sight and has 20 cubic feet of cargo room with the rear seat up. With the rear seat down, Citation hatchbacks have 41 cubic feet of cargo space, providing added utility even when the cargo is slightly unconventional. Make Citation personally yours with options such as the all-new comfortable CL interior that includes deluxe cloth trim on the door panels and seats, fold-down center armrest, plush cut pile carpeting, special steering wheel, and quiet sound package for an impressive, luxurious ride. Other options include air conditioning and a choice of available Delco sound systems, power steering, power front disc and rear drum brakes, and electric rear window defogger. Or for those who want Citation with a sporty flair, consider the new Citation XS Sport Package. Its sporty exterior trim includes body-colored bumpers, exciting graphics, and a rear spoiler. For Citation's sportiest performer, X11 has it all together. With its rear spoiler and X11 graphics, black rocker panels, center pillar and grip rails, and its bold blackout grille and headlamp bezels. The high-output V6 emblem defines X11's performance capabilities. Standard on X11, the high-output 2.8-liter V6 engine offers increased horsepower from larger intake and exhaust valves, a higher compression ratio, and a specific custom-tuned exhaust system. A special high-torque manual 4-speed transaxle is also standard, and the specially tuned F41 suspension package adds extra tough performance components, including larger front and rear stabilizer bars and special front and rear shocks. 14-inch Eagle GT steel-belted radial ply tires mounted on exclusive 5-spoke aluminum alloy wheels complete the X11. To make X11 a sportier standout, select reclining bucket seats, available in cloth or vinyl, full instrumentation, sport steering wheel, and sport mirrors. Citation from Chevrolet, America's favorite 5-passenger front-wheel drive car. Whether you choose the affordable 2-door notchback coupe, the versatile 2- or 4-door hatchbacks, or the sporty XS or X11 models, Citation's greatest appeal is behind the wheel. Take a demonstration drive today. It's the only way to really appreciate Citation's front-wheel drive traction, maneuverability, style, and efficiency. We think you'll agree, Citation is an outstanding value.